Now, doctors can refer patients to the NODA diagnostic assessment, which provides access to a clinically proven service for diagnostic assessments from the comfort of the family's home. Here's how the service works. When doctors suspect autism, they'll refer their patient to a diagnostic clinic who uses NODA to do an assessment for autism. From the privacy of their home, families will be guided by an expert diagnostic clinic to download the NODA phone app, collect and upload behavior video data of their child. Expert clinicians will lead the family remotely, review the data, and video chat with the family as necessary, and ultimately render a diagnosis via video consultation through a detailed diagnostic report that the family receives. Referring doctor also will get a diagnostic report. NODA is proving the most effective way to provide access for families who can benefit from a specialty diagnostic assessment.